There were just 16,412 housing units commenced last year, the lowest total since 2016, according to new figures from the Department of Housing. John Burns reports that the sharp drop follows an artificially inflated surge in 2024 when over 69,000 commencement notices were filed. That spike was driven by temporary incentives, including a waiver of development levies and a rebate on water connection charges from Uisce Éireann. Despite the fall, the department says that across 2024 and 2025 combined, more than 85,700 homes were started, 43% higher than the previous 2-year period. There was also some positive momentum in December, when commencements doubled to 3,065 units, the highest monthly figure of 2025. The second highest month saw just over 1,650 starts in September. Most notably, apartment construction surged with 1,820 apartment starts in December, accounting for well over half of all new homes. That was more than 3 times higher than November's figure, raising hopes that confidence is returning to the apartment sector. The government has introduced several measures to support apartment building, including relaxing design standards and cutting VAT from 13.5% to 9%. The VAT cut alone is expected to reduce delivery costs by up to €25,000 per unit. Housing Minister James Browne says wider government reforms could reduce apartment costs by as much as €160,000 per unit, helping to unlock stalled developments. He described the December figure as a strong jump in delivery. Meanwhile, AIB's latest construction PMI shows new orders returning to growth, with rising staffing levels and purchasing activity. However, overall construction activity still declined in December. 41% of homes started last month used modern methods of construction, which can cut build times by up to 40%.